Now have to look at the reference photo and imagine this was your pencil and draw those lines with your indenting tool, and you're gonna crisscross them, you're gonna overlap them, you're gonna look at the length of your lines and basically create those fair lines using your indenting tool. I'm gonna use this to create the shorter and thinner ones at the base here, and to make some crisscrosses. This one is called grade 2, right? It's called grade 2. So I'm just gonna go between these lines. As you know, hot press paper, the rule is that you go from light to dark. So the next one is warm gray 5, and I'm gonna just go down here that is darker and start making darker colors, without putting too much effort. You are seeing all those lovely long fur inside the bunny's ear. Again, I'm just drawing with this. Now I'm going to go and color it the same as I did here. So cold gray 2 again. This bunny altogether looks a bit blue, doesn't it? So that's why I'm starting with cold gray. Warm gray 5 again, and just identifying where is darker and where is light. Unless you make the dark shadows, they're not gonna actually show those lines.